Are you a hearing healthcare provider? Tired of the same old spendy money-saving pitches coming your way with no proven results? It's time to stop leaving money on the table. If you're looking to save time, cut costs, and drive serious revenue growth for your practice, ESCO's Custom Reminder Care, also known as the CRC program, is the game changer you need. And the best part? It's absolutely free! Here's how it works. ESCO's CRC program is a fully automated patient retention and repurchase service. We handle everything, from printing to mailing personalized warranty reminder letters, customized and approved by you to your patients. You don't lift a finger. You heard that right. ESCO covers 100% of the design, printing, and postage costs. Here are the proven and powerful results. 1. The average hearing practice saves $1,000 a year in labor, printing, and mailing expenses. 2. Practices see an average of $70,400 in additional revenue as patients receiving CRC letters are twice as likely to purchase new hearing aids. That's 71,400 reasons to sign up today. It's free. It's automated via your OMS platform. It works. And you have nothing to lose. Don't wait. Enroll now at escoprotection.com/loyal or email us at sales@esco.com and start seeing the proven results you deserve and expect.